Hello and welcome back to this session, Fundamentals of Computer Networking. Hello and welcome back to Fundamentals of Computer Networking. This is class 13. Due to a small health issue, I will make this class very short because I have to do the session on Monday, so that's why I'm doing it. So see, we understood a number of IP addresses in each network, number of networks in each class. This is what we understood in the last session. In today's session, we will understand there is some parameter which is mandatory during IP configuration. You know this command ncpa.cpl. This is one command. Let me use this command. I will go to command run prompt ncpa.cpl. If I go to properties and click IPv4 properties, you see some IP address obtained. Now I will type some IP address here, 10.0.0.1. When I try, no, I don't want to give this value. I will remove the subnet mask. When I try to say OK, it says a message. You have entered an address that is missing its subnet mask. Now we are going to understand what is subnet mask. Many of us know subnet mask. They know by looking at the IP address they can tell what is subnet mask, but they don't know why subnet mask is mandatory. Subnet mask. Subnetting is different, subnet mask is different. Many people think subnetting, subnet are same. No, they are different. Subnet mask is a value, subnetting is the process. Let us understand what is subnet mask today. Subnetting we will come in the later classes. What is subnet mask? I will tell you in a simple line. It is a value. Yes, it is a value, number used by computer. However, we give that value, but it is obviously used by computer to identify how many network bits and host bits in given IP address. So what I am trying to say, you have a computer. Okay, you go to this computer, you tell boss you are 10.0.0.10. The computer look at me, boss I am 10.0.10 now. Okay boss, I will accept. But when you say only 10.0.10 and enter, it says boss something missing boss. The computer will tell me the missing element. What is it? Subnet mask. See, when you give IP address, computer doesn't understand how many network bits, how many host bits in the given IP. Computer must identify itself how many network bits, how many host bits. So how this computer will understand? Computer doesn't know about classes. Class A, class B, class C, class D, all this belongs to for us, for a human, but not for computer. Computer doesn't know all these classes. Computer only understand number, binaries. Whenever you type this IP address, it will convert into binary, it will understand, that's all. But how computer will understand how many number of network bits, host bits, then what is the network ID, what is the host IP? All this should be understood by computer, no? So to make computer understand, whenever you configure IP address to a computer, you must provide one value, extra value, that is called subnet mask. Computer used subnet mask to identify number of network bits, number of host bits in the given IP. I hope you understood very well. This is simple line about subnet mask. If you don't give subnet mask, computer cannot identify which network it is. So then it will not accept. It says, boss, I cannot accept that IP address without subnet mask. But many people will laughing at me. Why do you type subnet mask, boss? When you click the subnet mask area, click, no, it will automatically appears. No, you don't want to type subnet mask. Computer itself will take subnet mask. Yeah, I'm telling you that is right, because Windows has designed in such a way we don't want to type subnet mask manually. That is that credits belongs to operating system. You understand? Operating system designed in a way where subnet mask will automatically taken by computer itself, OS itself. That's a program in backend. But when the problem appears, no, when you do subnetting 10.0, 1.0 subnet mask will be 255.255.0.0. See, this is different. Will you ask this computer, boss, to take this subnet mask in this value rather than 255.0.0? Will you take? No. Whenever you type IP address belongs to class A range, no, it will get the subnet mask belongs to that range. You understand what I am trying to tell you? However, Windows systems have designed in a way where subnet mask will automatically appears. That is default subnet mask. But when you do this in subnetting concept, subnet mask will not automatically take in that subnetted a subnet mask. So that's why, rather than following blindly with the computers, we have to understand what's happening behind it. So how subnet mask look like? You understand how subnet mask look like? Yes, there are 4 octets in subnet mask. Yes, it is look like IP address only, 4 octets, and each octet has 8 bits, same as it is how it look like IP address. But there is a condition how to get the subnet mask. A small formula, a very small formula to get the subnet mask. Apply all ones in network bits and zeros in host bits to get the subnet mask. This is a small formula to get the subnet mask. Very cutie formula. Cutie means small, huh? So a small formula to get the subnet mask. What is subnet mask? It's a value. How subnet mask look like? Look like IP address. How to get the subnet mask? Just apply ones in all bits, network bits, zeros in all host bits. Let's take class A. Take class A. Class A. How many network bits for? 8 network bits. You remember the previous picture? See, this is 8 network bits. If you apply ones in all 8 network bits, because it is class A, no? Class A 8 network bits, apply all binaries, 1 and zeros in all remaining bits. What will be the value of the first octet if you apply all ones in the 8 bits? 128, 64, 32, 16, 842, 255. That's our IP address. Sorry, subnet mask. The range of the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. This is a default subnet mask for all IP addresses in class A. Okay. Class B. Tell me. 2 octets network bits. You apply 16 ones. 255.255. This is a formula. This is a thumb rule. Subnet mask. Thumb rule. 255.255.0.0. This is class B subnet mask. Would you like to tell class C subnet mask? No, right? You know. What is class C subnet mask? what here? 2 5 5 2 5 5 2 5 5 Tamil, Hindi, English 0. This is subnet mask. Whatever I speak, leave it. Whatever understood, what you understood. Class C subnet mask 255.250 255.250 250.00. Okay, these are the default subnet mask. Default subnet mask. It's getting some hang on. Default subnet mask. समझ गया? अर्थमैंदा? पुरुंजिदा? Are you clear? So subnet mask. If you don't give subnet mask, computer won't take IP address. If you want to give a subnet mask, go to NICAD, enter properties. I go very fast. Properties, type, select 10.0.0.10, get IP address. See, subnet mask automatically appears. Why? How? Computer designed like that, man. Chalo 172.16.0.0, not 01, huh? 1 type click, it automatically. Class B 222.2.3.5 click karo. Class C subnet mask automatically. Why? Because that's a range. With the help of this octet range, automatically subnet mask is getting. But the only problem, when the problem occurs, when you type subnetted network. Okay, when you type some subnetted network, that time you need to type a subnet mask manually. You have to change, you have to represent, boss, these 8 bits are not network bits, you have 16 bits or 24 bits. Sometimes you have to say 128 also subnet mask. Yes, this subnet mask sometimes look like this also, but we will understand subnet mask later classes pa, not now. Okay, just leave it. That is subnetting. I have to create a big playlist about subnetting. That is very important for the network candidates who are playing role in the network architecture. We will understand later, not now, but I just wanted to tell you subnet mask is a mandatory parameter. You have other parameters: default gateway optional, preferred DNS optional, alternate DNS optional. We have lot of options. It is optional, but IP address subnet mask is a mandatory parameters. I hope you understood. We have only one slide, so actually I thought to take break, but I thought no, I committed to do every Monday fundamental class. I have to do. I'm just doing. Okay, anyway, you can download the documents from here in our website. You can join our group, live tech support, in Telegram group, to help the community or to get help from the community. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next class with some other. No, next class will be IP address, super class pa. IP address with a subnet mask and first IP, last IP, broadcast IP. We will discuss all that later. I think this is enough. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.